This is the northwest facing property, 5140 built up area. This is the lobby, waiting room. There is 120 workstations in this office space. Pantry, server room. Here is some workstations, and here is one manager cabin. Some freedom area. Here is 4 workstations inside this cabin, can be converted into manager cabin. Here is another small playing area or a waiting room or a discussion room. Small meeting room. Conference room, 8-seater. Some workstations. Workstation area on your left. On right, 4 workstations inside. Here is same thing, 4 workstations on the right. Twelve workstations on the left. And here is another area, workstations. Here is the 2 workstations at the end, can be converted into manager cabin. Here is another manager room, can be converted into manager room or workstations. Here is a lot of cabins. Here is a pantry area. From here we have another entrance, northwest. Pantry area, cafeteria area. There are workstations on left and right. Here is the entry again.